How to redeem Google a gift play card on iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Let Me Help. Let's dive into the tutorial. First thing first, you'll have to open the Google Chrome on your iPhone. Once you open the Google Chrome, in the search address bar, search for the Google Play Store. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Once you're inside the Google Play Store, tap on the Google Play in the top. After that, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen, and a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the payments and subscriptions. After you tap on the payments and subscriptions, all you have to do is scroll down and there will be redeem option available. You can also zoom in. There will be redeem option available. Tap on it, and now all you have to do is enter your Google gift play card number, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.